First of all, I want to thank you all. From SAMU, from all your managers, all your leaders, all of the workers for the work that you do here in the north. What you do in the Water Authority of Fiji to provide water to the people of this country is one of the most important things that you can do. One of the most important things. Now we put that in the Constitution and we set up an organization to make it happen. That organization is you, all of you. You are the ones working to make sure that we can get good and clean water in every single household. Our target is it 2030? By the year 2030, we will have clean water in all the households. And you know that if you don't have clean water, it means the things that you drink, things that you eat are not safe. They lead to disease. So I'm here just to tell you all that through all the things, so many times when we go to different places, people complain about Water Authority of Fiji. They complain about this. A lot of them don't understand the difficulties that you have to work through. You don't understand about the issues about budget, don't understand about all of these things. But I'm here as minister to tell you all that I want to thank every single one of you. From your leadership right down to the person right at the bottom of the organization here in the north, that I appreciate the work that you do. To Nagabadem for the service. But you must also remember that here we are working in Water Authority of Fiji. We are called to serve the people of this country. That's what we are here for, to serve. Find ways of making sure that we can meet what people want from us in terms of water. So I'm not going to spend too long, just to say to all of you, for all the work that you've done this year. We've had the cyclones, we've had the floods, we put in the water lines, the flood water comes and takes it away. We have to redo it again. Sometimes we set up rural water schemes. After a while the villagers don't look after it, we have to go back in. People that you get sworn at and all of those things, you have to stand fast and be true to the mission of the organization that you work for and continue that service. I want to express my appreciation to all of you. And as we're now looking forward, we're moving into the cyclone season. There's going to be a lot of rain in this season. Even if there's no cyclone, we will have a lot of rains. We have some major challenges over the past 2 years in terms of our water supply here into Lambasa. And I know also that your management had wanted us to have more staff to have because sometimes we don't have enough people to deliver all the kind of service that we need. So sometimes when there's a project, we have to pull people from all over the place just to do that project. Some of you will work for 10 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours in one day. I understand that and I appreciate it. And I want to thank all of you that are able to give up your time away from your families to make sure that you can deliver service, deliver water to people. I'm aware that in Suva, in the Suva area, when there's a problem in Rewa, they have to pull people out of Suva wherever just to get them to work there. And that is probably what you are also doing. So to all of you, bekem niken, namnis lecho namni ngona, ni ali may naman yung matubale, awong pala ni nakakataka nawale ng karantan. Sa doon ano gumasu, one thing that I ask for now is that we move into this cyclone season. We're going to have a lot more rainfall. I ask that you remain committed with these difficult times to continue to provide that service. There is no better way. All of us, we believe in God. All of us believe in God? Yes. There is no better way to serve God. In my religion, Christianity, when Christ was asked, what is the summation of the whole Bible? How do you summarize the whole teaching of the whole Bible? He said there's two things. You do two things, they summarize the whole Bible. The first is to love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength, with all your mind. Secondly, is to love others as you love yourself. Water Authority Fiji is a way in which we express our devotion to God by loving others and make sure they get water, even though it may cost us. So I believe that is you in the work of providing water, providing this service, you are doing God's work on this world. Doing God's work, providing service to people, loving them through all of their difficulties. So as we move into this season, I express my appreciation. I ask you to maintain the level of work that you've been able to do, despite the difficulties. And I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas that you will enjoy with your families. And I hope that you will have lots of money next year, so you can have a very prosperous New Year. That's all I've come here to say. God bless you all, and may all of us have a great Christmas this year.